Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Abode. My name is Luke and today we're gonna cover MetaMask, Uniswap and Ethanol token. This video is mainly for new users coming into the DeFi space who want to learn how to install a wallet, how to get onto Uniswap and how to save money on your Ethereum gas fees, guys. So let's get started. Straight into MetaMask. I will have this link down below. This will be your wallet to access the blockchain, guys. So you just want to click on download now. This will be available for multiple browsers, guys. As you can see, they support a lot of browsers. So we're gonna install this for Chrome. Okay guys, add to Chrome. Add extension. There you go, extension added. It's a very nice UI. Click on get started, guys. Now you make a new wallet unless you already have a 12-word seed phrase. I presume you're a new user, guys. So we're gonna make a new wallet. Here's some important thing, guys. They are completely decentralized. They will not collect your address or anything like that. There's no KYC involved. This is why a lot of people come into DeFi in the first place. So we're gonna agree to that. We're just gonna set a new password now. Agree to the terms of use. Right guys, this is the most important part of the video. You must save these 12 words. You must not show them to anybody, guys. Do not send these over any social media or email, or in fact don't keep them on any notepad files. You're better off writing this down, keeping it very safe, or even mesmerizing this phase. So whatever you do, guys, you do not want to lose these 12 words. For the demonstration of this video, I'm gonna show these words. I will not be using this wallet, if anybody thinks I will be. But yeah guys, these 12 words are your access to your wallet. You do not want to lose these. Make sure you note these down. As you click next, you will be asked to put them into the correct order, guys. Is very important you do not lose these 12 words, guys. A lot of people have lost them in the past, and trust me, you're not gonna get it back. Alright, hopefully I got this right. So that's it, guys. I got my MetaMask wallet set up. It is easy as that, guys. That was a lot quicker than any centralized exchange that I've been on. As you can see, you will need Ethereum, guys, because this is the Ethereum blockchain. I will have links below for Coinbase and SwissBorg. They're my main two favorite places to buy Ethereum. So now that you have your MetaMask wallet connected, you will want to get onto Uniswap, guys. I will also have this linked down below. So you just click on use Uniswap. And you connect wallet. You click on MetaMask. MetaMask will pop up. You will agree to the connection. There is no charge for this, guys. And now you are connected. That's it, guys. You're connected to the biggest decentralized exchange out there. Just to make sure my MetaMask is popping up. As you can see, you can also download this for your phone, guys. So now, getting into DeFi, guys, gas fees are gonna be tremendous. They cost a lot of money. If I knew before I got into DeFi that tokens like Ethanol existed, where you get your gas cashback, guys, I would have been saving a lot of money because I would spend thousands on gas fees before I even found Ethanol, guys. Now, to make sure you get the right token, you search it on CoinGecko, ENOL. I will have this link down below, guys. And you copy the contract. Or you can also add it to your MetaMask straight from CoinGecko. And boom, there's ENOL added. We're gonna go back on Uniswap. And once you have your Ethereum deposited in, guys, you will just paste the address in and it will find Ethanol for you. You send Ethereum to this address, guys. You can just copy it from clicking here. And to receive Ethanol cashback, guys, don't forget you will need 105. That will cover you. You can also keep an eye on the gas fees when you're making this trade, so you're not charged too much, guys. Once you have your Ethanol, guys, you will come in back on the website and you will click on Cashback app. We will also have a referral code down below, guys, if you want to support the channel. Once again, you just connect into the app. This doesn't cost anything. And now you are connected. You can see your wallet. If you're ever bugged out and your one Ethanol is not showing up, you just go back on change wallet. You put in your address again, guys. You connect and your Ethanol should come up. I'm going to show you my dashboard, guys. So you see that I am earning cashback. I've recently cashed out today. Everything is working smoothly. And you can see I've accumulated 3.2 ENOL so far, and I've not been here for over a month yet. So ROI is definitely coming back very quick, guys. That's your balance. You'll have a cashback limit, which is 2.5% a day. And you can claim every 3 days, guys. 6 AM UTC time. It's as simple as that, guys. Also, Ethanol has an amazing referral system, guys. Once again, I'll have this link down below. You just connect with your MetaMask. Okay, so I've had an issue there. Non-Ethereum browser. Let me try that again. There we go, so we got it. After I refresh the page, it seemed to work. Once you're connected, guys, you will get a referral link. Refers and earn 10% of their gas rewards forever. This guys could potentially be passive income. If you refer in your friends who are already using the Ethereum blockchain, guys. And it's a big incentive to do so. It will grow the community. And the Ethanol community is amazing, guys. I'll have their Telegram linked down below. Suggest you do your own research, guys. Definitely give Ethanol a look. They're an amazing project that solves a massive issue on the Ethereum blockchain with these massive gas fees. I mean, right now they're not so bad, but they're still really bad, and you can earn all of your money back with Ethanol, guys. That's it from me. Peace.